In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete images in Adobe Express. If you're cleaning up a design, replacing old visuals, or just removing something you no longer need, Adobe Express makes this very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to delete an image from your project quickly and confidently. Start by opening your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the design where the image appears so you can edit the correct file. Once your project is open, take a moment to locate the image you want to remove. This could be a photo, graphic, or any visual element placed on the canvas. Next, click directly on the image you want to delete. When the image is selected, you should see that it becomes active in your design. The selection step is important because Adobe Express needs to know which element you want to edit or remove. If there are multiple layers or overlapping elements in your project, be sure you've selected the correct image before moving on. Once the image is selected, press the Delete key or the backspace key on your keyboard. Either one should remove the image from the design. This is usually the fastest method, especially if you're working on a desktop or laptop and want to make quick edits. If you prefer using your mouse, there's another easy option. Right-click on the selected image and then choose Delete from the menu. This can be helpful if keyboard shortcuts aren't working on your device, or if you simply prefer using on-screen options while editing. As soon as you do that, the image is removed from your design. You'll see the canvas update immediately, giving you a cleaner layout and more room to continue editing. If you removed the wrong image by accident, it's a good idea to use your undo command right away so you can restore it and try again. This process is especially useful when you're refining a layout, updating branding, or simplifying a design that feels too crowded. Just remember that the key steps are selecting the correct image first, then deleting it using either your keyboard or the right-click menu. And that's it. That's how to delete images in Adobe Express. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very quick part of your editing workflow, and it's an easy way to keep your designs clean and polished.